guys, today I will show you all the charms that I have made in this month, and if you want to learn how I made this, I will leave a link down in the description box, so be sure to check them out and let's get started. I have this mini sun charm. I have this little succulent in a black pot. Then I have this little whale. I have this little dolphin with some brilliant colors. I also have these little two kawaii video games in yellow and red colors. I have this little old kawaii telephone charm. These colorful star charms. Little star with some yellow and orange swirls. A rainbow star. This dark blue star with some maroon glitter. A galaxy star with lots of glitter. These two pink stars with some strawberry icing. This little dragon donut with some wings. This little 3D footprint. These two little pond scenes with some little fish, and also these little plants. I hope you guys loved this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!